going to show you how to change a filter on your system. This one in particular has a 4-inch filter rack, which is located right down here. Has a little turn knob. You're just going to take that off, and it pops off, and that'll show you your filter. This is a 4-inch filter. You're just going to go ahead and feel around, get a lip, and it slides right out. So like I said, it's a 4-inch filter. This one is clean, nice and white. Once they're dirty, they're going to turn gray, brown. You're going to see a whole bunch of stuff stuck to it. Furs, dust, whatever is filtrating through your system. Put it back, you get your new one. You're gonna look at your airflow sign. So this is the return, so air is gonna travel up. So you wanna go with the airflow, so up. You're gonna go ahead and slide it in, make sure your arrow is up, it's seated firmly all the way. You're gonna make sure your tabs line up with your tab door. And go ahead and just screw it back in. Other systems might not have 4-inch filters. They have 1-inch filters like this. Once again, white, they're going to turn dirty, brown, they're going to have a bunch of gross stuff on it once they are dirty. 4-inch filters like the one I just pulled out, you're going to want to change every 6 months. 1-inch filters every 3 months. More likely, 1-inch filters you can find at your local hardware store, or you can order them on Amazon. That way you have a box, you can change them out yourself, or just wait for us to do it on our biannual maintenance. Some systems have a ceiling filter rack, like the one you see here. They can be a little finicky, so I always recommend having a flathead screwdriver to work the tabs up here. Go ahead and put your flathead on the tab, bend down, make sure your hand's on the actual filter grill rack, because it's going to come down, and sometimes it'll come down and hit whack you in the head. Once it's safely there, you're going to go ahead, pop out your 1-inch filter, find the arrow. This one's clean. They're going to be dirty, they're going to look gray, they're going to have stuff on it. You get your new one, you find your arrow, you're going to go with the airflow. So this is a return, it's going to be pulling up. So you want that arrow up, go ahead and slide it back in. One hand on the filter, shut your rack, shut your tabs, and you're good to go.